Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Destek Global. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Destek Global is a fully authorized, beginner-friendly Forex and CFD broker that was founded by a team of financial experts. This broker offers flexible accounts, powerful trading tools, and a variety of CFDs that you can trade on MetaTrader 4. You can start trading with only $100 when you open an account with Destek Global, and if you are new to trading, you will have unlimited access to a MetaTrader 4 demo account. As a Destek Global client, you will get 24-hour customer support and a dedicated account manager that will be there for you whenever you need guidance. Destek Global offers a wide range of CFDs, which are contracts between investors and financial institutions that allow investors to trade on the price movements of financial assets without the obligation of actually owning those assets. The CFDs you can trade with this broker include more than 40 currency pairs. Popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, as well as a variety of precious metals and commodities. You can find out more about the instruments you can trade with Destek Global by hovering your cursor over the Client Resources tab and heading over to the Product Specifications page. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Destek Global customer support team via email or telephonically, and a dedicated account manager will be able to assist you whenever you need. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact emails for each department on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. Destek Global offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website. On the homepage, you will find interactive links to all the instruments, accounts, and services offered. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. As a Destek Global client, you will have access to the MetaTrader 4 mobile and desktop platforms. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. The MetaTrader platforms can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. MetaTrader 4 can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and try it out for yourself, click on the Platform tab for a full list of features and download it for free. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with Destek Global. And this broker also offers free unlimited MetaTrader 4 demo accounts. All accounts allow the use of expert advisors and can be used for hedging. Of the 4 live accounts offered, 3 of these accounts are entirely commission-free. The first type of account you can open is a standard account. This commission-free account is suitable for beginner to intermediate traders and requires a minimum deposit of only $100. If you have more trading capital available, then you can open either a Gold, VIP, or an ECN account. A minimum deposit of $1,000 is required to open a Gold account, and the spreads on this account are slightly lower than those of the standard account. The VIP and ECN accounts offer the lowest spreads. However, these accounts have the highest minimum deposits. To open a VIP account, you must deposit at least $5,000 or $10,000 to open an ECN account. Small commission fees are charged on the ECN account, however it has the best execution and the lowest spreads. The leverage allowed on these accounts ranges from 1 to 100 on the ECN account and 1 to 200 on all other accounts. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works. Destek Global offers a free demo account that you can use for an unlimited amount of time on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Destek Global offers, click on the Trading tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with Destek Global will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is quick and easy, and you can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Destek Global homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online application form, and then you can verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified and set up, you can log in to the client portal. After your account is verified and set up, and you have chosen either to use a demo account or a live account, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Destek Global. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, you can find a variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. A minimum deposit of $100 is required to open an account with Destek Global, and you can fund your account using US dollars, euros, or pounds. Bank transfer is currently the only accepted payment method, and your banking fees will be reimbursed and credited to your trading account. Once your account is approved, head over to the client portal to explore the platform and start building your portfolio. As a trader or investor, having access to reliable resources and trading tools is a key factor of success. Destek Global provides a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. You can also use the trading glossary provided when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice using your free demo account. When choosing a broker, make sure that all the tools, news, research material, and educational resources you need are provided before making your final decision. Overall, Destek Global offers multiple account types, and you will have access to all the tools, resources, and features of the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The minimum deposits required may seem high depending on the exchange rates. However, you can use a free demo account for an unlimited amount of time if it is your first time trading, which will give you plenty of time to save up some money to open a live account. This broker is regulated by the Securities Commission of the Bahamas and seems safe and reliable. However, remember, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So remember to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Destek Global. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.